This is a review of Igloo's Yukon cold locker 50 quart roller. I got the cooler a couple days ago, unboxed it. My first impressions are this is an extremely sturdy cooler. It's got several features that other competitors like Yeti or some of the other more expensive coolers don't have. First thing you can see is it's got a set of wheels. The wheels are designed never to go flat. They're tough and they're sturdy enough to support this cooler. This cooler empty is probably about 40 pounds, 40 to 45 pounds. It's also got the rubber latches on the front that swing up and will stay in place. They don't flop back down like some of the others. You can hold those in place just like so. It also has two locking points that are reinforced by metal on both sides. I'm going to open the cooler and show you what I mean. You can see this locking plate is sturdy, it's steel, so it makes it more difficult to cut or even break into. The lid itself is 3 inches thick. You're not going to find that in most places or with other competitors' coolers. And the capacity is true 50 quarts. You can see that there are the fender, I guess you would call them fender wells, for the wheels on the inside. But the capacity is a true 50 quart. And if you can make it out, I put this much ice in there last night and there is absolutely no melting at all. It's probably about 55 degrees this morning. So far so good. You can also see on the lid it's got a ruler. This is a marine grade cooler, so it has an integrated fish ruler. This one is in centimeters and this one is in inches. Another one of my more favorite features on this cooler is the handle. The handle is extremely wide. It's easy to put two hands on it. You can see my hand for reference. You can easily put two hands on it to maneuver and pull. Makes it really easy to pull behind you. And maybe my most favorite feature is this gigantic drain plug. This thing is huge. You can actually, the drain hole is big enough to roll a golf ball through. I tried it the other day. You're not going to find that anywhere else. You also see that the plug is nice size and it's tethered to the cooler with a chain. So this is my initial review of the cooler. I'm going to track the progress of how well it holds ice over the next several days, and I'll post those for your review.